Hello everybody, this is the creator of Duke the Monitor's YouTube page, and this is not only for him, but it's also for our geckos and our python and our water dragon and any other reptile that we get. Now the reason why I am posting these videos is because if you're like me and my wife, you are a reptile enthusiast. You like seeing reptiles be predatory. Now I know there's a couple of you guys that may be watching this, accidentally stumbling upon it, and you see either a mouse or a fish or a cricket that's being devoured, and I would like to extend my apologies, although it's not very sincere for one reason, and that's because you shouldn't have been looking at this to begin with. If you see a video and it says, you know, Savannah Monitor versus mouse, or snake eats rabbit, and you happen to love rabbits and you click on it and you get mad, well, that's kind of your fault. Now, as you can see here, I posted a video of my Savannah Monitor, and all he is doing is what he'd be doing in the wild, which is eating anything that's smaller than him. Now, this guy is probably one of the most lively creatures I've ever had. I love him to death. He just bit me today, in fact, and I forgive him because it's in his nature. Why? Because he's a predatory reptile, and that's what they do. They use their jaws to hurt things. And over here we have him devouring a goldfish that my wife personally fished out of their family's pond. It wasn't bought at a pet store where it was farmed by some evil corporation of fish-hating mongrels who decided that they wanted to just torture all the fish in the world and, subject them to being eaten by reptiles. Because I know that's what a lot of these animal enthusiasts are all about. And I just find it fascinating how animal enthusiasts are only enthusiastic about certain animals. If they're up to them, our reptiles would starve. Now, I'm not trying to say that I'm pro-killing harmless creatures, but I guess I am. Because if they're food, then, so be it. Of course, this fish, he was looking at my snake funny, and I was going to feed it to him originally, but I decided, well, I'll give it to the monitor because, I didn't want to put my snake in any danger. So, that's why he is being crushed and decapitated, like you see here. In fact, my monitor was so hardcore that he was thrashing the fish around, and he got, like, fish meat on the window. And, I would just like to say that if you see this video and you're fascinated by it, then right on, man, because that's why I post it, because I'm doing it for all you people that are interested in reptiles as much as we are. If you're interested in mammals, then stop watching this video right now. Ooh, look at that. That's amazing. The fish chunks right there. Which brings me to another point, which is, a lot of people will probably respond negatively to this video, and I hope that is the opposite, okay? And the only reason why is because I don't know anybody, and I've said this before to my wife. I just had an epiphany one day. I want to meet the person who has a ball python or a Burmese python or a boa constrictor or hell, even a reticulated python, because they are cuddly animals. I want to meet this person. I want to meet them, and I want to be completely amazed by how deluded they are over the fact that they got some sort of quality sweet animal here. The fact of the matter is, you buy pythons because they strangle. You buy pythons because they eat animals. I always get freaked out by this. Hey, well, it's always best to feed our animals pre-killed animals because it's just better for the pet. I'm sorry, but my snake, if he isn't strong enough to take on his food, then, he kind of had it coming, all right? I'm not going to kill any animal myself. I'm going to let my animals do it because that's what they're there for. If he gets a scratch on the way, that's just the nature of the game, man. And I don't know, some people might say I'm harsh for that. I just gave my python a gigantic rat the other day, and I hate rats. I fucking hate rodents. I'm sorry, I do. So yeah, I get a little enjoyment out of this. It's not sadistic, it's just nature. It's like, alright, you fucking mice suck, so now you're going to get eaten. And at least I'm not taking a hammer to them, guys, so that is something that you can take solace in. But you know, when he took on this rat, I was thinking to myself, like, a little part of me was like, I hope he doesn't get bitten. I wouldn't want this rat to hurt my snake. And then I thought to myself, whoa, wait a minute, it's a fucking python. They're designed to crush things like way bigger than the rat that I gave him. And sure, it might bite him, and what if it did, you know, for whatever reason, as unlikely as it is, kill him? What's the worst that would happen? I'd had an empty giant cage. So what do you do with a big, giant, empty cage? You get another reptile. Hell, give it to the Samantha Monitor. Either way, everyone wins. I mean, nature. If the rat was too strong and hurt my snake, then my snake dies. That's kind of the name of the game. Of course, I'm not aiming for that, and I certainly don't want him to die, but what I'm saying is that you guys who have reptiles and are so concerned with, you know, babying them, you know, you got to keep into consideration that these creatures have been around way before we were, and they've been doing this stuff way before we decided to make them pets. So you got to stop coddling them. You know, like my wife, she hand feeds our geckos. I think it's adorable, but I mean, you know, they are rather effeminate looking. But I mean, you know, when we post videos of it, you'll see. You know, it's cute and all, but I mean, if we let them out in the wild, they'd be fucking screwed, you know. And the reason why is because we're coddling them. You know, me, I'm a little more harsh in that regard. But anyway, this is just my rant, my 2 cents. So yeah, if you guys happen to like CG artwork and stuff like that, you can check out my other YouTube page, which is Screenwriter 805. You can either type it in Google or you can just type it up on YouTube, and it should pop up with like a bunch of stuff. And for you on my CG page, if you want to check out this video, just, you know, type in Duke the Monitor, all one word, Duke the Monitor, and that'll be that. It's all right, guys. I will see you in a bit.
We're going to show him the footage. As for you, good job, Duke. Good job.